welcome back. My name is Sandra and I am the Arthritic Artisan. Okay, so I have another haul for you. I know I just did one, but this was a different Dollar Tree. And when I was at the last Dollar Tree, they were taking down all the Easter stuff and putting up 4th of July and summertime items. So I wanted to grab some of those and show you some of the things that they have. I don't think they have full stock out yet, or my Dollar Tree was once again picked over. And again, I met some of the most lovely people when I was there. I met Sherry today. Hi, Sherry. I met Arthi. Arthi is new to crafting and really wants to get into it and seems to have a good passion for it. So hi, Arthi. And then I met Aisha. Hi, Aisha, and her lovely daughter. And her daughter was finding the most ridiculously awesome items at this Dollar Tree. Never saw them before. I wish I'd grabbed some of them. I don't even know why I didn't. So what a lovely young lady also. And Aisha also said that she was going to make me some Turkish coffee. So I'm really excited about that. If you've never had Turkish coffee, get some, but get some good Turkish coffee and don't put sugar in it. Just don't. All right, so let's get on with our haul. So of course, as soon as I start recording, my air kicks on, but we're gonna get through this anyway. All right, so what I found today at the Dollar Tree, graduation's coming up and they have these foam scatter decorations, but they're stars. So I figure, what, 4th of July is coming up, Memorial Day is coming up, so we're just gonna paint these any color we want, and there's 20 in a pack for $1, so that's literally a nickel a piece. And I know I just bought a bunch of florals on my haul a couple days ago, but these were brand new in. When I was there, they were taking down Easter stuff and putting up 4th of July stuff. Look at these little mums. How many you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mums on a pick. That's a lot. Like, I got red, I got blue, and then they had glitter coral. I just love these. I can't wait to use them. And then this greenery, my Dollar Trees, I don't know why they don't have this most of the time, but look, I found a bunch of this. This is actually a really big pick for $1. And they have this spider plant. It is so cute, and it actually looks really good close up. So we've got some greenery. I got this pack of shells. Look at the size of that shell. That is amazing. I just figured summer's coming, beach scenes. We are definitely going to use these for something. I was going to go back and get some gardening supplies. They didn't have the rake that I wanted, but I did get these, and so I'm going to use these. I have an idea. You're going to have to stay tuned to see what I do with these. It's going to be fun. Look, guys. Red, white, and blue deco mesh. Oh, I love it. This is going to be so fun. It's $1. It's 6 inches wide, and you get 5 yards. That's 15 feet for $1. This stuff is so expensive nowadays. Years ago, it used to be the cheapest stuff you could buy, and now kind of like a fajita meat, it's so expensive because everybody wants it. Had to get some nautical rope. While I was there, I've been pricing out rope, and I really can't find rope at a good, decent price unless it's that super prickly stuff that just leaves splinters when you try to use it. Look at my stickers. Oh, I love these so much. These are going to be so much fun. It's book covers and book spines. Oh, I love these. And luggage stuff and a flask. What? Come on. And some binoculars and suitcases. These are going to be fun to use. Then I found these southwestern looking stickers. They were just really pretty. So I don't know what I'm going to do with those yet, but I got them anyway. All right. They have these solar lights there. I know you all have probably seen them, but let me just show you a couple things about them. I don't know if you're aware or not. So in the bottom is this black plastic doohickey. That is a technical term, but if you pull it out, that is your stake for the ground. And so you just poke it in the other way and stick it in the ground. Or if you're a crafter, you put a hole through it, string it through your keychain, and you've got some protection while you're walking around in the Dollar Tree parking lot. Okay, tip number 2 on these lights. When it is light out, the light doesn't come on. But as soon as it gets dark, the light comes on. Did y'all see that? What? Is that not amazing? So it stays off automatically during the day and then comes on all by itself at night. That is really, really cool. Plus, you can just pop that off, use this for another project, and just use this top piece if you want to. And if you really wanted to take it even further apart, you can just use the light part. See? And now you know the rest of the garden stake story. I found this glass vase. I can't wait to transform this into something else. I'm not going to tell you. You just have to watch. It's probably going to be one of the 2-minute craft videos because it's going to be super simple what I have in mind for this. Then I found this ginormous root beer float mug, or beer mug, whatever you're into. We are going to fancify this. That is another technical term. Along with this Pilsner glass. This is a really heavy, and this almost takes 2 hands. Look how my knuckles are white trying to hold this up. That is crazy heavy. I adore this. Okay, so while I'm in Dollar Tree today, Aisha, one of the ladies I met today, her daughter is so sweet. She is just the sweetest. Found these. She was going around the Dollar Tree finding the most unusual things I had never seen before. I wish I had taken this little garbage can that she'd found, but like a fool, I did not. So anyway, we are going to use these little decorative knobs. Look at me. I don't know why I'm picking at this. I'm so OCD. I'm going to have to sand that off and fix it. They're cute little star decorative knobs. We will definitely find a use for these. Since 4th of July is coming up, look. American flag paper napkins. I'm thinking decoupage. Of course I'm thinking decoupage. I am a crafter. Look at this shiny bowl. Is it causing a glare? Oh my gosh. This is so super cool. I love it. I got a handful of these and we're going to make something, I don't know, something. I got some of these little drawers. Finally, my Dollar Tree has them. Normally they've got one or half of one or something, but I actually got some still wrapped up in the plastic. I am super excited about that, and we are going to be using these. Y'all know how much I love the glass stuff at Dollar Tree. I found these super cute vases. They're just tall and skinny. Normally they're all fat and big, but I just really like these. This is the only one they had in my Dollar Tree. I know that they've got them around. It's a wood pencil holder or a wood cup, whatever you want to use it for. But I got it just so I can hold it on my desk and it can hold some of my tools or something or another. I have not seen these before. It's a scalloped container. I see something other than a scalloped container when I look at it, but you know how we think when we get to crafting, there's all kinds of different things that this actually is. I got some more of these little boxes, but I got the kind with just the regular oval cutout rather than the star. I just needed something for all year round instead of simply for a holiday. We're going to be using that. Stay tuned for future videos. Look at this MDF wood cutout. Is that not the cutest? We are going to do something with this owl. I'm going to show you. You're going to love it, and you're going to want to make 100 of your own. I mentioned in my last one I was looking for these oval tins, and boom, the Lord provided, and here we are. I have my oval tins. How happy am I? Happy. In the spirit of the 4th of July and summertime coming on, they have this 3-pack of American flags. We are, of course, going to be using these. Look at what I found. Aren't they adorable? You know we're going to tear them apart and change them into something else. They've got red on white on blue, and blue on white on red. And I just love these. I picked up a few of these too. Okay, this is so me, and we just planted some vegetables and some seeds in our vegetable garden in the backyard, and weed it and reap. That's adorable. Seriously, I like cheesy, goofy, adorable things. You learned in my last haul, I love frogs, and I found this 3-pack of frogs. I'm not going to leave them looking like this. I'm not exactly sure right now what I'm gonna do with them. Well, okay, I am sure what I'm gonna do with them, but I haven't told you yet. Stay tuned for that also. In their toy section, I found these plastic toys. Look at that hippo. That's a good looking hippo. But we're gonna decorate her or him, and yeah, we're gonna have some fun. I found a dolphin, and I found this iguana lizard. It is so scaly. He's gonna look gorgeous when he gets, well, fixed. Last but not least, I've never seen this at Dollar Tree before. It's removable vinyl paper. Yes, I got red, white, and blue. You know why? Because they had red, white, blue, and purple, and well, I just didn't need purple for anything. But I'm gonna try this out on my Cricut, and I'm going to give you guys an honest opinion about how I feel about it. It's 12 inches by 48 inches, so it's double the length of anything that you get that is a major brand. I'm not gonna say their name, but you know who I'm talking about. So if you can get double the length for $1 and it works, this is gonna be a find. I am really hoping and praying that this comes out and it works out great. I said this was last but not least, but I forgot about these. Look what I found. Okay, so these are supposed to be bathroom rugs, but they're really small. So we're going to do something else with these bath mats. I have a couple ideas in my head. I hope it turns out okay. I'm going to do a trial run on them, and then we'll do a video tutorial, or maybe we should just do a DIY on the fly. I haven't done one of those in a while, and we'll just see how they turn out. I love this blue. That is, man, that's a vibrant blue. I wish you could see it in person. Okay, now I'm done. So now, until next time, have a magical day.